You speak Arabic every single day and you don't even know it. Here are 7 English words that are actually Arabic and you use them constantly. Marhaban, I'm HosnyEbrahim, your Arabic teacher, and today I'm going to blow your mind. English has borrowed hundreds of words from Arabic, and some of them are words you literally cannot go a day without using it. Word 1, sugar. Let's start with sugar from the Arabic word sukkar. Sukkar. Every time you ask for sugar in your coffee, you're speaking Arabic. Word 2, lemon. Lemon comes from the Arabic word laymun. Laymun. Yes, even this basic fruit name is Arabic. Word 3, cotton. Cotton from the Arabic word qutn. Qutn. That shirt you're wearing right now, its name is Arabic. Word 4, coffee. Speaking of coffee, that's Arabic too, from the word qahwa. So your morning routine is basically a mini Arabic lesson. Word 5, algebra. Here is one that might surprise you. Algebra comes from the word al-jabr. Al-jabr. Al-jabr, meaning reunion of broken parts. The entire field of mathematics owes its name to Arabic. Word 6, magazine. Even magazine is Arabic from the word makhzan. Makhzan, meaning storehouse, because magazines are storehouses of information. Word 7, admiral. An admiral from Amir al-Bahr. Amiru al-Bahr. Literally commander of the sea. Every navy in the world uses an Arabic word for their highest rank. This happened because Arabic was the language of science, mathematics, trade, and scholarship for centuries. When Europeans learned these concepts, they borrowed the words too. Want to learn the Arabic behind even more English words? Follow me for daily Arabic lessons that will change how you see language forever. And comment below which of these surprised you the most. And double tap if you had no idea you were speaking Arabic every day. Until I see you next time, ma salama.